Do you know that you can prepare almond milk with the help of just 10 almonds? Almond milk is very beneficial, and by using it, 999% of your diseases, health issues get eliminated there itself. Therefore, in today's video, we will tell you about the surprising benefits of using almond milk and the correct way to make it. This is a short video. To get the full benefit from almonds, watch till the end. But before proceeding further in the video, subscribe to the channel, subscribe and press the bell icon. Almond is counted among the superfoods, that is, it is a complete food. Many vitamins, minerals and plant compounds are present inside the almond, but the most valuable thing found inside the almond is that the real benefits of almonds are the nutrients present inside almonds, i.e., good fats. Our body and brain need these nutrients to remain healthy and function properly, and especially if you make almond milk and consume it, if you use it, then the dryness of the body and mind gets completely eliminated by using almond milk. That is why if you keep making almond milk and using it even once or twice a week, then there will be no surprise in your body. Changes occur and you get such benefits that you are surprised. Consuming almond milk improves vision because the diseases found inside almonds are cured and are very beneficial for eyes and vision. Hence, if your eyesight is also becoming weak, if you are unable to see at night or your eyesight gets disturbed while watching mobile or television, then start using almond milk. Within a few days, your vision will become sharper than before. In this way, the use of almond milk is very beneficial for your skin. If you use almond milk even twice a week, your skin will completely change, because diseases are found in almond milk, hence it should be used. By doing this, the skin becomes completely moisturized, it starts looking soft, fresh and glowing. Thoroughness and dryness on the skin goes away completely. With the use of almond milk, hair growth also becomes much better if before age. If your grey hair is coming in, then by using almond milk it will stop immediately and the hair will start turning black again. Similarly, if your hair looks dull, dry and lifeless and is falling due to weakness, even then, with the use of almond milk, the hair will become so lively and magnificent that even you will not believe it yourself. The use of almond milk is very beneficial for our brain health because almond milk is easily absorbed in our body. Therefore, the use of almond milk gives strength to our brain. The power of thinking and understanding increases manifold. The memory becomes sharper, especially those people and children who have mental problems. They need almond milk. You should definitely keep using it. If you are using almond milk, your memory will become so sharp that you will remember whatever you hear or read once, because by using almond milk, the dryness of the medicine becomes complete. Consuming almond milk brings great strength to the body and also eliminates all types of physical weakness and laziness. Even if your tendons are becoming weak and there is pain in bones and joints, or do you feel lethargic and tired all day long, just use almond milk. You will get such great strength and beauty in your body that even you will not be able to believe it. This is the reason why wrestlers are forced to use almond milk. The use of almonds is very beneficial for the health of our heart because good fats, i.e., disease-free fats, are found inside almonds, which rapidly reduce the bad cholesterol in the body and increase the good cholesterol, which is good for the heart. Consuming almond milk keeps the heart healthy and reduces the risk of heart disease and heart attack, whether you have diabetes or want to avoid diabetes. Therefore, almond milk is very beneficial for you because by using almond milk, the increased sugar level in the blood reduces and the sugar level in the blood does not increase again. If your bones are becoming weak, teeth and even if there is pain in the joints and knees, almond milk is very beneficial for you because using almond milk strengthens the bones, increases the grease in the joints and knees and protects the teeth and gums. It also gives strength to those people who are obese and are not able to lose their increased weight despite dieting and exercising. For them too, the use of almond milk is always beneficial because the good fats which prevent disease inside almonds, they are found to be needed by our body to burn the fat present in the body, and there are many people whose weight is stuck and they are not able to lose weight even by dieting and exercise. In fact, their body needs them to burn the fat present in it. Good fats are not available. But when you use almond milk, our body gets good fats in large quantity, due to which the stubborn and unnecessary fat accumulated in the body, especially the fat accumulated around the stomach, gets reduced. It happens that rapidly the body starts going crazy and we lose weight rapidly. So to prepare almond milk, you have to take 10 almonds and soak these almonds in a glass of water for at least 2 hours. You have to give it so that the peels of these almonds can be removed easily. After that you have to take a blender. You have to add about a cup of water in the blender, and after removing the peels of 10 almonds, you have to put those almonds also in the blender. You have to cover it and blend it well. After blending it very well, your almond milk is ready. You have to take it out in a cup and use it. The best time to use almond milk is it for the mouth in the morning or 15-20 minutes before sleeping at night. Either you use it before breakfast in the morning or before sleeping at night. If you liked the video, then press the share more videos and subscribe health and beauty tips for Majid videos. Press the bell icon and select all notifications.